Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to share today how you can use IFFTTT to have your Instagram photos appear in the Twitter main feed. If you don't, this is what you get. One of my dear friends, a realtor, Carl, has been using Instagram, but you can't see the photos there. So I wanted to share how you can do that. As you can see, I did an example today for you here. And this is a photo that was on Instagram, and I used the IFFTTT. You can see Instagram is still here, but you have the image. So it looks much nicer in the Twitter feed. So all you have to do is go over to IFFTTT, sign up. You can do it for free. They do have a pro account now. And the applet that you are looking for is tweet your Instagrams as native photos on Twitter right here, and make sure it's connected. When you sign in with your login, you can sign up by email. I think you can also sign up through Facebook and Twitter. But you just have to hook your Twitter account. Give permission for Twitter to use the IFFTTT. Also, your Instagram account has to be connected as well. So long as you have those connected on there, you're able to have those photos come out nicely in the Twitter feed. And as you can see, you'll get some likes, maybe some shares, etc. Having that image that is so important on any social media feed today, but especially if it's coming over for Instagram. And as you can see, that was the Instagram post there that I had completed. So again, it's IFTTT. There's lots of other cool apps, the applets that they have on there. You can send a text to your Android phone to turn up a ringtone volume. If you lose your phone, you want to have your sunscreen on when the UV index is high, you could set that one up. Your Twitter anniversary. You can also do YouTube. It goes right to Twitter as well once you upload it there. And another one that I use that I love is thanking new followers. Sometimes I'll do a special tweet to some, but this is so I don't miss anyone. So there's a lot of different things you can do. You could sync Instagram to a Pinterest board as well. So lots of things with IFFTTT, but I really wanted to show how to do that Instagram to Twitter. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you have a great day.